Ningyap Shuga Niti Sutenshi Chebe, Sitpuri, White Studio Kando, Himachal Ngati Shungi Shiri Legun, Thang Piramal Tipze War, Chulula Matembe Sanjo Gilabshi Sea Learning Latar Nangu Kenya Shasong.
Yes, thank you. Talent the Himachal Ngate Shiri the Legun Ki Tungcheta, and Piramal Tanda Gese Legend number 2 parallel that the Shadamare, that it. So Chulula Matembe Sanjo Shenare, Sea Learning Ki, Shin Lopsu, Hoti, Himachal Ki Ngate Nalola, Latar Naik Shabarella. Yiksha Mundo to Chenangavana, Kaunuchu Shutone to Shabarella. Taina take up the Shiriki, Tunchakona Pematosa, and the land the Yiksha Mama titering to Mushi titering Shabarella. The Sishin was the Kaunuchi Monshe, that Chiksochi Chate to Tamba, and it's a Kaunuchi that Chikala Chikunane, that Develo. Structure dance na the Himachal Shuvare, and Himachal Gate Nalola, the Monsacho Kita, Moshe Cheshet that is Chulumate Besan Shadi did. Himachal Kilopta Samana Latachi Joina, and a check Himachal Kate, the Mimala Imaina, take on Chikita, check Tonet, check Suri, Masuna, the Chadu, and they Emery Turin looked at it, Chasha in answer Shirakabu Johnson, Tale Himachal Gate, Station, Lusudi, and it looked at Yonzola, Latar Nike, Shishana, the Shirakabu Johnson.
I think this MoU is really, really important, not only for Piramal Foundation and Government of Himachal Pradesh, but I think it's very important for the children of Himachal Pradesh who will be exposed to socio-emotional ethical learning, which has been developed by Emory University under the guidance of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. We at Piramal Foundation will make all efforts that it reaches the last child, the last classroom.
Zego Kuntun so Himachal Ngade Shiri Tungbar Kushab Rakesh Kanwar Lagi, Tande Tuja Chewe Tuzu Dir, Shungi Chu Semkam Gikangi set up so, Konso Cho Gilabjin Konshi Chulula Maten Ben Sanjo Gilabshi Lada Nangu Kiran Chimbu Yebekola Mojo
This is where this program comes into picture and becomes important, because every child needs to grow to be a good human being, but that's easier said than done. You know, a good human being, when you say that, how to define that, what are the values that go behind that, and what are the methodologies that can be used in today's time to bring those values to the child, and the child internalizes those values. So for that we definitely need a program, we need a proper structured module or a system to bring those to our schools, and this C-learning is perhaps the only solution that we can see. So that's why we were very excited when initially this idea came and we had initial discussions, and as the Secretary of Education Department, I feel this is an opportunity that has come to us with the blessings of His Holiness the Dalai Lama Ji.